Mali, ano mali?
Mali ang nabok. Potang inam yan. Sakit.
Mumura ka na naman. Okay lang. Sino nag-book?
Si Marga.
Ang pino ko niya ay.
Hindi pa kami nakarating ng Genting. Pauwi na kami. Kaya pala magkantay. Kung kakantay dito ng bus, wala pa lang dumadating. Tapos naka-off pa.
Grabe ako eh, Mark.
Sorry.
Dahil yun,
At dahil dyan, nagpakulit kami.
Hindi kayo magkapatalo. Hindi sila magkapatalo sa isang bobong katulad ko. Kasi si Marks ay puyat pa siya. Kaya pabalik ang nabok niya, imbis na papunta.
Kailangan namin kumain sa Texas chicken para mag-1 gram na coke yung iinumin namin.
Oh, lola lang yun. Kaya pa talaga ito
Dalawang
eh.
oras, mamawian namin ng 1 gram ng coke. Bota kayo ah.
Baka naman yung may kasalanan nun. Kaya okay lang, wala akong choice.
That's okay, hindi naman kami nagmamadali. Dahil kami ay
The-hibernate.
correct.
Hibernation!
Ito yung mga pa natin. Ito yung may Marga.
Go to Taiwan.
Go! Tapos, ito sa akin.
Actually, hindi to Genting. Magka-Taiwan si Marco.
Correct.
Go to Taiwan. Go. Yes. Yes. FW. Perfect. Kulang na lang ng leather jacket. Very OFW ka dyan. Ginto. Overseas. Marami sa no. Overseas
Yung
ano? Ginto.
Gintong palad.
Taka talaga yun. May kalapatid. Dito na kami sa Texas Chicken. Order na ang mga persons. Anak?
Sila kasama.
Wow!
Ano pala yun?
Wow! Yung movie, di ba?
Everyone know this song.
In Malaysia.
In everywhere.
In the world. I think it has translations.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, a lot of.
Go,
We have
Rosie.
Korean, Spanish, Japanese, Cantonese.
You're a good singer? You like
I'm a good listener.
nice. But I can't.
You should.
Oh. What's the chorus again?
And I took on my reply.
Wow.
So,
I don't know the lyrics.
bye.
Rose? I don't know the lyrics. Just the chorus, Rose. Just go for the chorus, Rose. I don't know the lyrics. Sometimes when you touch me.
Be honestly too much. And I have
To close my eyes. You can sing it, I'll go.
I wanna hold you till I die. Till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you to the tears in me. Hi! And since all those tragedies, leave me and let me be my bride. Okay, what song do you know? Yeah. Not too new, huh? Too new. Come.
You sing another song. Maybe I know it. Rose naman eh. Rose, what about MJ? The Michael Jackson song.
Wow!
Oh, you know the Michael Jackson
That
song.
one is, of course, no, but Michael Jackson, the song is very easy to sing, but it's very hard to sing it well.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the unique voice that he had.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
He has a very good.
Yeah.
Mark, sample ka dyan, Mark. She will sample it. No. You're the singer in the group.
Ladies sing a Michael Jackson? Oh, really?
No, I'm just a fan. She's a fan. I can do the sound, she can sing.
Remember to cook the sisig.
Ano si Sad Marad?
Ano sinasabi mo?
So, ano sinasabi mo? Alalay ako ng mga putang ina ito.
Ayan, meron na kami nabili na.
Meron kami ko. Yes. Pwede sa ako.
Ipakita mo na. Meron
Doon na lang sa condo.
Ano yun? Ano tawag doon?
Sa Airbnb.
Dali mo yung pusa.
Hoy.